verse 6. Let me see where children crown come from. Let me see who our children crown. A lot of people don't understand this. Let me see where children crown come from and that glory.
Amen.
I want to see where it come from. I want to see if that glory come from the children or the parents.
Amen.
I want to see it.
Yes.
And if the children glory come from themselves, then it don't make no sense. We preach.
Amen.
But never preach it because we know that it makes sense.
Amen.
Because a child never provide for the parents.
Amen.
And parents always provide for the child.
Yes.
I never see the child provide for the parents. I always see that the parents provide for the child, and what the parents provide for the child, I eat the child feed over.
Amen.
I eat the child clothes, sleep on, eat from.
Yes.
Because the child clothes which she wear, or him wear, and parents provide it. The food, parents provide it. The bed, and parents provide it. And in this case, God attack now, when you come to God, you have to provide spiritual stuff.
Amen.
Not only the messenger who are spiritual parents must provide, you know. You must also, because you work with the messenger, you work with the company. So you work with the company, owner of the company, and provide 15 house, half my own company.